Samoan bulldozer, breaker of the bones,
making his way to the ring from the Isle of Samoa, weighing in at 353 pounds, Umaga.
He walks from the smoke like a warrior reborn, tattooed with the stories of
Plenty of action coming up as we have 6 of WWE's top names ready to go here.
Oh man, Michael, 6-man matches like this always remind me of world class back in the 1980s.
Forged by the gods and sand. When he lifts his hands, the torches flare. The bulldozer comes, beware, beware. Fa'amalose, strength of the clan. Fa'afefe, fear of the man. Fa'atoasa, the beast arrives. The spirit drives.
The bruising behemoth.
And his opponent, first, from the Rocky Mountains, weighing in at 303 pounds, Lars Sullivan.
Freakishly powerful, incredibly intelligent, Lars Sullivan is like no one you've seen before.
Like a walking nightmare, hell-bent on devouring anything that has a heartbeat.
One of the most intimidating individuals I've ever come across. Take no prisoners. Seek and destroy.
Looks like he's ready. What's happening? Oh my. That is a scary sight.
The sinister silhouette of the human wrecking ball. Lars Sullivan set to dominate.
Ladies and gentlemen, behold the legend of laziness, the emperor of empty threats, the undefeated champion of keyboard wars.
And from New York, weighing in at 640 pounds, Lunchbox Johnny.
The McDonald's container, my new home. Let me get beaten up in the ring now. No bitch for me. Legend of laziness.
Plenty of action coming up as we have 6 of WWE's top names ready to go here.
Oh man, Michael, 6-man matches like this always remind me of world class back in the 1980s.
WWE Hall of Famer.
And from Cobb County, Georgia, weighing in at 350 pounds, the Big Boss Man.
I can tell you folks, the Big Boss Man will settle for nothing less than a win here tonight.
Well, he's definitely got his work cut out for him, Michael.
Mad skills to a funk beat.
And from Germany, weighing in at 200
have 6 of WWE's top names ready to go here.
Oh man, Michael, 6-man matches like this always remind me of world class back in the 1980s.
Welcome home.
Here's the man who's put the Cruiserweight division on the map in WWE. The soul of WWE's Cruiserweight division.
And from Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing in at 200 pounds, Cedric Alexander.
Guys, Cedric Alexander had one of the best matches in the Cruiserweight Classic a couple of years ago. It was so good, Triple H came out and applauded the man and then signed him to a WWE contract.
You know, you look at every superstar, and every superstar has their individual motivations. Well, for Cedric Alexander, it is simply to be a good role model for his young daughter to prove that as long as you put in the work, you can succeed at whatever you want to do.
From out of 1 midair.
What? Dominating shoulder tackle.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
He wants to do this in the ring. Oh. There he goes, crashing to the floor. Elbow.
Jeez, did you see that?
Clothesline. Bringing it back into the ring. Oh, nasty impact. An easy kick out there. Too early in the match to end it. He's going for the pin. There he goes, crashing to the floor. Ouch. He's in a bad spot, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if he hightails it through the crowd. You should go with him, Byron. Big punch finds its mark. Ooh, what impact. He's starting to feel it here. Be expected, though. It's not like he's in there with a slouch, guys.
I know it's early, but he has to do everything in his power not to let this get out of hand.
You gotta believe this one's over. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
He's close to being done here.
Incoming. Gets out of the way of that one. Drop kick.
Oh, great height.
Oh, nasty impact. This can go a variety of different ways, Corey. And almost none of them are good. No trouble kicking out of that one.
It's gonna take more than that.
Nobody controls the pace of a match. Slam down hard. Now that's how you make a statement. Really working over the body.
Rough landing.
Can he finish the job?
The pitfalls of gravity, Michael.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Into the quick cover. Looking to catch him off guard there, I guess.
And we continue.
Oh, bulldog.
One-handed.
Big boss man starting to lose some steam. And at this point, you have to wonder if he can recover from this.
A very crucial part of the match for him here. He simply cannot let his opponent gain too much momentum.
Down to the floor. Boom,
right across the small of the back.
He's looking a little weary here. This is not where he wants to be right now, guys.
In a back-and-forth match like this, he has to do everything in his power not to let his opponent gain too much momentum here.
Shoulder tackle. He's on the defensive now. And at this point, how much more does he have to give?
He's taking on some damage, but so is his opponent. This match can go either way at this point.
And Big Boss Man easily powers out.
So resourceful.
Ooh, what the face destroyed.
He doesn't want to let this match get out of control, guys.
Nothing good happens outside the ring, which is why I love it when guys go out there. Things are going to heat up now, fellas.
Don't write him off just yet, guys. From what I see, these guys are pretty evenly matched at this point.
Oh, and a knee, and another
Big-time slam.
vicious. Just carrying the opposition here.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over until it's over.
When this guy's on, look out. Cedric Alexander looking to take control of this match.
Enough already.
Here he goes. This is what makes him one of the best. My Byron, he's got it cinched in.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
And Byron, this takes a ton of strength to pull off, am I right?
Oh, you are definitely right, Michael. But you also have to remember how much energy it drains to pull off.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Shot right across the back of the neck. Ouch. He looks absolutely exhausted. This is clearly not the same competitor who started this match in such great shape.
I'm not sure he has much left. He's in tough shape, guys, and there's absolutely no room for error now.
He wants no part of the outside. No, he reverses it. No, reverses it. Boom, what impact. You got a feel for Lars Sullivan looking beaten down at this point.
This looks like the ending of a horror movie.
I have a feeling this isn't going to end well for him. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Oh, right to the back. Here we go a second time. Oh, he turns it around. Here he goes for the win.
Can he close it out?
He's in trouble. This is it. Nailed it. Bear hug.
Look at the power.
This one is over.
If it doesn't end the match this time, it might be time for a new finisher.
And Big Boss Man, too quick that time.
Big headbutt. Ooh, taking quite a beating here. And I wouldn't be surprised if he had nothing left at this point.
He has got to fight. Boss Man slam. What impact. Wow.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
There it is now. The question is, Cedric Alexander soaring through the sky
Loves
with a
to fly.
clothesline.
What impact.
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
A striking blow. What a headbutt. Vicious. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Harsh impact. Got the reversal. He's making a Samoan driver.
That should do it. Bold move going forward again.
Back now inside the ring. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Back in from the floor.
Oof, kick finds it.
Back elbow.
Gee, did you see that?
He's in big trouble. Look out here. He's in full control now.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Something big is coming.
Insane power by the boss man. This is his opportunity to win this thing.
Jeez, I felt that one over here.
When this guy's on, look out. Not again. Wow.
One of these competitors is eventually going to have to gain the upper hand, right?
2.
Can he finish him off here?
Can Sullivan actually pull through?
Don't count him out yet.
With all the damage done, you have to wonder how much more it'll take.
We have seen him here before. Oh, what a clothesline.
Boom, face first. But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys. Well, if it didn't work the first several times.
Now he's working that exploit. Toss to the outside. Samoan driver.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
His shoulders are down. 1. Wait a minute. There goes the ref.
Man down.
Oh, brutal. Oh, and he's taken off his feet.
I'll tell you, he can't afford crashing down.
Samoan drop.
But can he follow up here? Oh, man, that's put so many competitors away.
And Big Boss Man, too quick that time.
Oh!
Right to the back.
No, there's the reversal.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Cover here. 1. He breaks up the pin, and Corey, the match continues.
I love it.
Around the waist. Power. Spine buster. He's got him covered. 1. And there's the breakup. Just in the nick of time.
Uh-oh, this opponent. Side slam. Here's his moment, Michael.
Beautiful technique.
Incoming. Oh, continuing to punish them.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, what a slam.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Back in the ring again.
I don't know how much more these superstars can take.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's bringing it back inside the steps connect.
That hurt me just watching.
Clothesline.
Whoa, Alexander dodged that one barely.
And that one drops him.
Somebody's on.
Here's a cover. And he's heading back in. Oh, ouch. Well, that was a close call.
Wow, what's it going to take?
He's calling for it. Oh, clobbered by the steps.
That'll make you reassess some things.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Cedric Alexander. Cedric Alexander.
Brainbuster.
This one's over, guys.
This could do it. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. We know what this means.
Vicious attack. We may be looking at our winner here, guys.
Interesting decision here, Corey.
I don't know. I kind of like it. He clearly wants to inflict some more punishment.
That'll mess up the back of your neck.
And Big Boss Man, too quick that time.
Oh, my Lord. Strike right. Good night. Oh, he's Such a tough target.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, he goes low. You're not cheating, you're not trying.
Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides.
Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
He's going for the pin. This could be it.
Around the waist.
Spine buster. He's got him down. Is this it? 3. Big
Oh man, jarring headbutt. That's what he was looking for, Michael. Big Boss Man's chances just went from bad to worse.
Comes up big with the reversal.
If this match heads outside, things could go south real quick.
Let's hope not. And Big Boss
Slam! Can he finish him off here?
Looking to end it here.
This could be it.
He's not going to like this. Clothesline!
Off with their head.
What a bonsai drop!
That's how you put an exclamation point on a match. Yeah, well, it's not how you start, but how you...
We got a cover. Oh, this is dangerous right here.
Look at this!
Too quick for him there.
Haymaker connects.
Uh-oh. Ooh! And now one more time. Samoa driver.
That should do it.
Wow, let's see that again.
Man, he is simply a walking highlight reel.
Nailed it. This match is definitely testing his mettle, guys.
Man, he was making it look easy there for a moment, which is pretty impressive considering who he's in the ring with.
Nobody could...
Boss Man has him down. What a spine buster.
Boss Man's in charge here.
Ooh. Backslide for the win! Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides.
Slingshot right across the back of the neck.
Oh, nasty impact.
Boss Man's night might be over here.
He's too quick for him there.
Thunderous slam.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
That is exactly what luck.
Going for the cover. 1. That could have been it right there.
And Big Boss Man, too quick that time.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Good check.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
Toss to the outside. Alexander's looking to end it. When this guy's on, look out. He gets it with a reversal. What a sidewalk slam.
He is finished.
Wow, the ref got hit hard there.
He may not get back up, Cole.
Showing off some of his speed there.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Right across. Axe handle finds its target.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Boom, what impact. Counter here. Nice job getting out of the way of that one.
Ooh, that's how you...
The cover. 1. He's bringing it back inside the ring now. This could mean trouble.
Beautiful side Russian leg sweep.
Cedric Alexander's in trouble. Whoa, Sullivan really dodged that one. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Corey, tell me, just how much strength does carrying your opponent around like this take?
Let's put it this way, Cole. Saxton would never be able to do it.
What harsh impact.
He could pin his opponent right here.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Leg drop! Oh, here we go. Oh, and it's a reversal. No, he reverses it. There he goes, crashing to the floor.
Whoa, Alexander dodged that one.
Barely.
Lariat. Swinging neck breaker.
This can go a variety of different ways, Corey.
And almost none of them are good.
Uh-oh. Boss Man is going up high. Oh, look out!
What a strike. Taken off his feet.
This is his opportunity to win this thing. Is the second time enough to end this match?
Oh, and he dodges out of the way. When this guy's on, look out.
Oh, what impact. Here's his moment, Michael. Yeah, there's no way this match isn't over after that one.
Suplex.
I like the combination punch. Super kick.
Oh, no, he's taken down.
You know, I don't think he has much left.
He wants no part of the outside.
Slam. Wow, I'm just as surprised.
Pinning predicament. Oh, and he breaks up the pin. Just a step quicker, it looks like. An impressive series of moves.
Looks like nobody's budging, Cole.
Escapes trouble there.
Beautiful technique. Roundhouse kick. This might be it. Oh, Boss Man slam. What impact. Wow. Warm up the bus. This one is.
He's got the shoulders down.
Harsh impact. He has such a wide array of offense from anywhere in the ring.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. He's making a statement here with this attack. Big slam.
Just when you thought.
He's got him down. This is it. 2. Ooh. Inverted DDT. One more look at it.
Samoa driver.
Now it's time to capitalize.
And Big Boss Man, too quick that time. Woo-wee.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Boom, what impact. He wants no part of the outside.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Nailed it. Ah, double knee face breaker.
Oh, my gosh.
Surfboard leg breaker. Oh, he's able to reverse it. Perhaps thinking about what to do next here.
Well, better not think too long, though.
Uh-oh. Boss Man's in charge here. I think Big Boss Man just secured this match.
You gotta believe this one's over. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Look at this. The steps connect.
That hurt me just watching.
Oh, what a snapmare.
Oh, perfectly executed. That'll give you whiplash.
Spit slam!
That might have done it, Cole.
man, here we go.
Oh, and he reverses it.
Oh, flying forearm. That'll turn your lights out.
Nobody controls the pace of a Samoan driver. But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? Can Sullivan actually pull through?
Don't count him out yet. Kick to the gut. He's making a statement here with this attack. Great power.
He's attacking the back. That's what he was looking for, Michael.
That one was even more impressive than the first time we saw it.
Down!
Massive. We've got to cover. Dodges a bullet there. He's looking at it. Is he done? No, the ref's going to have to break this one up.
Phenomenal job by him getting to the ropes right there.
Alexander's looking to end it. Got it. Ooh, what impact. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
What's he got in mind? Not where he wants to be right now.
Hey, he got himself into this mess.
He's got to get himself out of it now.
Face first. He's looking banged up here, guys.
And it looks like things are about to get even worse.
When this guy's on, look out.
Yeah, well, it's not how you start, but how you finish. What a forearm.
And now, Bossman with a spine buster. This might be it. Oh, my. He can end it here.
He's got him. Oh, nasty impact.
And he's heading back in. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh, to the arm. Terrible.
Oh, man, inverted backbreaker.
Ow.
And Big Boss Man, too quick that time.
Reverses that one. Takes him down hard.
You gotta love that kind of aggression.
Here we go. What a slam.
Impactful.
Little jarters. He might have it.
Whoa, Alexander dodged that one.
Barely. Here we go. Back inside the ring. And there's the victory. What a six-man match. A lot of action in that match. Let's have a look.
Hope everybody at home set those DVRs because that was a match you're going to want to watch again and again and again. Epic.
Here is your winner, Lars Sullivan.
Wow, that tap came quick and often.
That is what I like to call a statement win, Michael.
And it'll be interesting to see the ripple effects this win has in the weeks to come.